Hi guys, it's Friendly Advice here. I am here in Etobicoke Ikea. So Ikea at Etobicoke. I'm gonna show you how the dining area looks. The restaurant upstairs in Ikea. So let's get started. Sofa area where you can sit as well and relax. It's gorgeous. So you should definitely come and visit in the holidays to Ikea Etobicoke. So at the Ikea Etobicoke, they have all the drinks, the coffee, very neat and clean. And you have all the condiments. And here, if we walk, you will see that the both sides you see coffee, and there's the cashiers, and there is the food area where you can order. I'm here on a weekday, so it's pretty quiet. A weekend it does line up, so you basically walk through it, you take the trays, and then you follow on and order your food. Very nice. So here is the ordering section right here, and you can order a variety of food and soup, garlic bread, samosa, and some pastry. So they do have nice sitting area for you, beautiful. So there's some area that you can sit, and there is one near the window as well, and little trolleys to help you bring your food to the table, and little extra stools as well. Little play area in the dining area. So if the kids want to play, they can play here, and there's some chairs nearby. So if you want to eat, the kids will be playing here, and you can do that too. It is very, very conveniently located and beautiful, beautiful dining area. If you have a baby, they do have bottle warmer and little microwave if you want to heat up some food. So for example, I have heated up my coffee here. So I have it right here. So you can use the microwave. Nice and small, very convenient, and they do have baby chairs here, so you can use that as well. Thank you for watching and subscribing to my channel, and do visit the Ikea Etobicoke dinner or breakfast. It's very, very economical and a very fun and family oriented place where you can come. Thank you.